let's go explore the amazing food in El Salvador. If you haven't seen my El Salvador travel guide, I would definitely recommend you do that before continuing with this video, so you come prepared for everything, whether it's Bitcoins or it is about safety and precautions. So check it out now, the link is above. Food in El Salvador. I know there's not a lot of information for it out there, and most of the stuff that I heard before coming here is all about pupusas. So I am on a hunt to see what Salvadoran food is like, and I have discovered some really interesting places. So the food here can be put in a few different categories. You can easily find American food. There's a lot of Wendy's, McDonald's, KFC, whatnot. Respectfully, I'll just stay away from that. You can also find the modern sort of, European type food. That's my salad right now. You can come for brunches, you can come to good patisseries, you can find good desserts, cafes, bars, all of that. And that's also very easily available. Now the third thing is the Latin food, and they have some really good Mexican places here. I will show you. It's literally the first time I've tried tacos in my life, and I am hooked. They also have good Peruvian food, which is again something I'm a huge fan of. So there's plenty to eat here. And the last part is, and I would highly recommend you check out the street food for this part, is the Salvadoran food. The best pupusas I had were from the street, or the street side. But I'm really excited to try all of that with you. I'm gonna finish my salad and I'll take you on a culinary tour of El Salvador. Come with me. This is horchata. It's a typical drink from here. I don't know if it's actually a El Salvadoran or is it like a Central American or Mesoamerican thing. But what I do know is it is amazing. It actually has the best taste, flavor in a drink in such a long time, and it's especially amazing after lunch. I would recommend drinking it cold without any ice, and it actually kind of acts like a dessert as well because it's sweet. It has almonds and God knows what else. There's like a ton of things in there. But this is one thing you definitely don't want to miss when you're in El Salvador. Like most Central American, Latin American cultures, they also have a big thing for meat. And this is what a plate looks like. So I usually tend not to eat a lot of red meat because of the environmental impact now, but I couldn't hold myself back from like 1 or 2 times. So if you come here and that's your thing, they do a really good steak here. I'm gonna go finish this. In keeping with the tradition, we have another beautiful lunch with the view. When it comes to food in El Salvador, everyone talks about pupusas, but no one really talks about tamales. Now this is something interesting because it's made with corn as usual, but it is either stuffed or it's corn dough that's steamed. I finally got my hands on tamales today. I got it from a fast food place called Mr. Donut. So I got 3 different types. This is the fried one. So it could be savory or it could be sweet. So if you come here, do try tamales. I'm gonna go finish this. And yeah, we continue our food journey in El Salvador. This is our ceviche for today. In the hunt for Salvadoran food, I am in downtown San Salvador, and I'm right next to the National Cemetery. In fact, I can see it from here if you want to come here. So there's 3 shops here. Palace Pollo, the one on Mama Nena, that is the name of the place. But these are some amazing places if you have the stomach for street food. You get like amazing chicken turkey sandwiches. You get yuca fritas, which is fried yuca. And the third one is all about candied fruits. It is quite loud here, but anything for good food, eh? So let me take you in. We'll get the sandwiches, we'll get some enchiladas and yucas fritas, and a lot of candied fruit and sweet stuff. So this is literally all three different courses if you want, Salvadoran style. Let's go. So I got my sandwich cut up, and this is my second attempt at trying to eat this. Oh, look, it's really nice. It's a sauce that makes everything so good, and it brings everything together. It's messy business eating this. I usually don't like turkeys. I mean, I like turkeys. I don't like turkey sandwiches. But this one has to be an exception, and I really like that. Okay, I'm gonna go finish this, and then it's on to the sweet stuff. So, yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, so I got my drink. This is something made with corn again. No surprises there. There's a lot of corn in this country. So this is something warm, and you drink it sort of with food, and this is the perfect plate of dessert. So this one's sort of like a French toast, and it's really nice, and it comes with this little syrup that's quite heavy. Oh my god. It literally melts in your mouth. This is something made with yuca, and this one is made with corn dough and deep fried, and it comes with this little syrupy thing that you put on top. It's very different. Like, there's a little salty taste, but then the syrup makes it sweet immediately. It's really nice. On to this one. This one's my favorite. It's a bit like eating crispy popcorn. Definitely my favorite. Sorry. On to the candied fruit. There's a lot of coconuts here. This is another local fruit that they candy. It's kind of like sweet potato-ish. Not my favorite. Coconut. Oh. It has a slightly tangy taste, which is really nice. I lost something that's like my personal favorite fruit. I could try it. Figs. So good. So good. I think I'm gonna go back from here really fast. This has to be my favorite. I need to get more of these. I'm not gonna remember the names of any of this. All you need to do is come here and point and get what you want. It's fairly easy. Let's continue our tour. This is something that's sort of like a French toast. These are mini apples. This is shredded coconut, and these are figs. This we have here is papaya, pumpkin, and this is like a local version. So they basically candy a lot of sweet and all the fruits. This is fried dough and yuca. This is plantain, candied, and this is another root that you will find here. So this is like the typical sweet stuff that you will find here. It is not a trip to El Salvador if you've not had pupusas. So it is this corn bread that has fillings, usually cheese or beans or meat, and it's freshly made. And I'm gonna be honest, I've tried a few different places, but the best ones are on the street side. So the lady here is making some for me, and I'm gonna be taking that away. And I'm really excited. They've like become my new obsession. So I didn't do any taste test of pupusas with you guys, so I thought I'd show you. They definitely deserve a lot of attention in El Salvador, because obviously this is a specialty, right? So I got two different types. One is the beans and cheese ones, and they're the most common one. And also the mixed ones, which are my absolute favorite because they have meat, cheese, and beans. And what I really like is that you get like a good amount of flavor from all of it. So you see this is like a layer of meat, cheese, and beans. And I'm gonna try this with some salsa, which is this tomato salsa, which is really lovely, by the way. Oh my god. It's so simple. It's like a genius, you know. Cornbread is like a little thicker than, you know, what would make it like crackle, but that's what makes it so interesting, because it goes with this, you know, squidgy beans and cheese and meat thing. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this, and yeah, I'll let you see the rest of the video, which is gonna be fun. El Salvador, mwah. I'm in love with pupusas, officially. The coastal area, especially around Playa El Tunco, has a lot of good seafood options, and I would definitely recommend trying some, but don't go overboard because there's a lot of overfishing happening and you don't want to contribute to it. So give it a try, but not like too much. So I came on the hunt for some tacos, the street ones, and this place behind me is called Lips. It's a strip bar, and in association with that, these are called Lips tacos, and apparently they're the best street tacos you can have. So I'm gonna get that, and yeah, something you definitely want to do in San Salvador. There is no lack of Mexican food in El Salvador, and most of it is really delicious. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this food tour of El Salvador with me. Do let me know in comments what you think, and if you come here, do try quite a lot of this stuff. It's all really yummy and delicious in its own way. Food here is quite flavorsome and nice. So do let me know in comments what's your favorite, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!